Located in Nunica, Michigan, drivers for the Hortech Corporate Campus installation were to integrate LiveRoof green roofs, LiveWall living walls, and perennial display gardens directly into the workplace. Hortech is the parent company of both LiveRoof and LiveWall and intentionally created an environment where employees enjoy the same advantages as advocated for homes, offices, and commercial buildings. Secondary drivers demonstrate Greenroof and Greenwall technologies as living educational displays, support ongoing research, and showcase sustainability. The rooftop and vertical installations also serve as test beds for plant material and management strategies for living architecture. The Hortech facility showcases 8 exterior LiveWalls, 7 interior LiveWalls, and 4 LiveRoofs. Outdoor pathways bordered by perennial gardens offer restorative breaks, while the vegetated roof and walls provide quieter, cooler workspaces and a daily reminder of the powerful impact of green design. As part of Hortech's mission, the facility welcomes industry visitors, designers, and researchers by appointment to observe these systems firsthand. The Hortech Corporate Campus includes a 3,700 square foot LiveRoof extensive green roof, coupled with 1,400 square feet of roofstones pavers for accessibility. The new warehouse features a 17,208 square foot solar green rack system, a fully integrated biosolar solution that supplies photovoltaic solar energy generation with the LiveRoof green roof system. In 2025, the solar green units generated more than 70 megawatt hours of clean energy, equivalent to powering 7 homes for a full year. On the East End LiveRoof, the visually appealing native and non-native pollinator collection is designed for bees and butterflies in a structured layout, while the West End pollinator mix is arranged in a naturalistic layout. LiveWalls can be found on rooftop applications to screen HVAC equipment, reduce noise, and cool intake air. You'll find one at the exterior ground level on the side of the building, plus a double-sided patio fence application, which surrounds the employee patio, and inside the corporate office, including within the office bathrooms. The growing facility also supports a LiveRoof hybrid standard module system and LiveWall outdoor system. In addition to the internal research conducted at the Hortech Corporate Campus, they regularly host open house events and educational tours of the LiveRoof and LiveWall demonstration zones. By integrating their green roofs, living walls, and perennial display gardens directly into the workplace, staff work among thriving plants, improved air quality, and natural textures and colors that support biophilic wellness, reducing stress, enhancing focus, and fostering creativity.
For more information about this project and many more, explore the International Green Roof and Greenwall Projects database at Greenroofs.com and join our mailing list so you don't miss out on any of the green roof and green wall news and upcoming projects of the week.